How much is a 69 in your area, and would you go with 90?
What?
Or 99? Sorry, 99 in your area.
The difficulty when you're a journalist writing copy is if you say 99 or ice cream at the first or second instance, what do you say at the third or fourth or fifth? She's got some great ones. Creamy monsters. 500 of these creamy monsters every day.
Yeah.
With no signs of slowing down. With people looking to get their hands on, quote, on the 9 inches of creamy coolness.
There you go. Come here. How much is a 99 now these days?
These ones are cheap. These are $3.60. That seems like a very...
$3.60.
Yeah,
so
$3.60 or €4 with
how much
with
is a 99 in your area, and do you get
This is
9
called a big boy.
And this is a big boy. Do you get 9 inches? Would you pay $3.40? What's it?
$3.60.
$3.60. Would you pay $3.60 for 9 inches?
I mean, 9 inches seems a little bit over the top, to be honest, but...
Does
Seems
it?
a little lower.
Let us know, 0896 111 111, how much is a 69 in your area, and would you go with 9 inches?
What?
Or 99? Sorry, 99 in your area.
Look what you've done, Jack, with your quotes.
99 in your area.
Okay. It's very early. What time is it? It's 7:30. Stay tuned. The lads are staying with us for a presidential preview on the election.